What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about the cryptocurrency market correction, or crash as some people are calling it, after the Federal Reserve meeting minutes from December were released. Again, there was some information in this article that I'm going to be sharing with you guys regarding the $8.3 trillion balance sheet that they have been working with. We know that money printing continued, but now it's looking like they're getting ready to start shrinking it, decreasing the amount of money they're printing. Because again, remember, with cryptocurrency, one of the biggest reasons that people are investing in this space, which I think is not really the only reason, but one of the big reasons, is that it's a hedge against inflation. But now what's happening is maybe our inflation rates might finally start to reverse and go down, but ultimately that doesn't mean that's the demise of crypto. People are forgetting about the store of value, about the use cases. So again, this I think is going to be presenting a really big opportunity. But remember, I always like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor, but rather I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So let's go ahead and dive in and talk about this very good article that I saw on cryptonews.net. Bitcoin falls to a 1-month low as the Fed minutes reveal talks to shrink their balance sheet. Quick and simple. Bitcoin tumbled to its lowest price in a month as minutes from the Federal Reserve's last meeting in December showed officials discussed whether to start shrinking the U.S. central bank's swollen $8.3 trillion balance sheet. Prices for the cryptocurrency rallied in recent years as the growing number of investors bet that more than $4 trillion of the money printing by the feds to support the coronavirus-wrecked economy and markets would spur faster inflation, and Bitcoin could serve as a hedge against rising prices. So, a move to shrink the balance sheet might put downward pressure on Bitcoin, but this is when smart investors, in my opinion, will actually start to scoop things up. And remember, people are leveraging. There's people who are leveraging, buying a lot of these assets using leverage. And so what's going to happen is whales are going to see that, and leverage times are coming to an expiration. So again, there's a lot of different things that might be continuing to bring the overall pressure down. But remember, the whales are going to try to outsmart the retail investor or the smaller dogs, right? But always be prepared, folks. Always be prepared and understand volatility is typical. Downward pressure is typical, especially when news like this comes out. But it's typically followed by a nice upswing. Some participants judged that a significant amount of the balance sheet shrinkage could be appropriate over the normalization process, especially in light of an abundant liquidity in money markets, according to the minutes from the Fed's December 14th, 15th meeting, published Wednesday, today at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bitcoin's price did slide, as you guys could see, and it's come down pretty dramatic drop in the price, down about 5.6% on the day. Ethereum down 7.28% on the day, and everything is just trending down. The market is not looking so hot. Even our favorite player, SHIB, down 7.23% on the day. So again, guys, I always say be prepared, not surprised, and this is why a good amount of money should always be kept aside. Your dry powder, right? Another name for literally having some cash on hand to buy the dip on your favorite assets, whether it's Ethereum, Solana, like some of my favorites, Shiba Inu, whatever token it might be. Again, I do believe that the market will continue to present buying opportunities because the end goal is that Bitcoin will one day become $500,000 per token. Ethereum will become $10,000 per token. It's inevitable. That's just how it's going to work. I do believe that, and I wholeheartedly live by it each and every day. And that's something that I preach on Patreon. It's something that I talk to all my members about. So again, if you want to consider joining the Patreon, there's a link in the description below. And also, get your 5 free stocks when you deposit money into your Moomoo account. Although the market is downtrending, still, there's always going to be free money opportunities. And that's why I love Patreon so much and the group of investors that we have found. Because together, we still find token opportunities in bear markets, or when the market is overall trending down, there's always going to be some players that are up. So again, that's all I had for you guys today. I appreciate everybody's love and support. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already, and consider subscribing to the channel. But that's all I have for you guys today. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.